In today's video, we will see how to deal with the JDBC exception error on Hibernate data access. We will go through different workspaces where the error can occur and explain how to fix it. You can navigate to the chapter related to your need by clicking on the corresponding chapter in the video progress bar or in the description. We will first see how to fix the JDBC exception error that occurs during the Google Workspace import. This error occurs when special characters including emojis, mathematical symbols, and foreign characters are used in the group's name and description that you are trying to import from Google Workspace. When attempting to perform the import, it fails with the displayed detailed error message indicating an error occurred during import. To resolve the issue, log into the Google Workspace admin console. Under Directory, select the option for Groups. Review the groups that are being imported from Google Workspace and verify that the group names do not have any special characters including emojis, mathematical symbols, and foreign characters in the name or description. In this example, the import test group 1 has an emoji in the group name and description. Remove the emoji from the group name and description. Select the group, and then select the option for Rename Group. Update the group name and remove the emoji or special character, and press Save to update the group name. Click on the description of the group, and in the group information, select the pencil icon and update the group description. Then click on Save. Return to the Groups page and verify the group name and description are updated and the special characters are removed. Back on the Okta admin dashboard, attempt the import again. Under Google Workspace and Import, select the Import Now option. Attempt the import again. Once the special characters are removed, the import should run successfully. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the users and groups were successfully imported. We will now go through the same error with Zendesk. As mentioned in the previous part, this error is related to the special characters including emojis, mathematical symbols, and foreign characters that are used in the group's name and description imported from Zendesk. First, you need to log into your Okta admin dashboard, navigate to Applications, then Applications in the subfolder. On the Import tab when clicking Import Now, you will receive an error message. Now go to Zendesk, then People, Team, and Groups. You will see an icon next to the group name. Click on that group, delete the icon, and then click on Save. Now you can verify the icon is no longer next to the group name. Navigate back to your Okta admin console. On the Import tab, click Import Now. You can verify the amount of users and groups were successfully scanned. And finally, we will see how to fix this error with Microsoft Office 365. As mentioned in the previous part, this error is related to the special characters including emojis, mathematical symbols, and foreign characters that are used in the group's name and description imported from Microsoft Office 365. First log into your Microsoft Azure admin console. Navigate to Groups, then All Groups, and you will see an account with a symbol that should not be there. Select that user. Under Manage, click on Properties, delete the symbols, then click on Save. Go back to Groups and click on Refresh to verify the account no longer has a symbol next to it. Navigate to your Okta admin console. Under the Import tab, click Import Now. Now you can see the users and groups scanned successfully. And this is it. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.